Okay, that's pretty much most of it off there. You got the lighting port wide open. Close that in a minute. There's your nozzles. Another one up there somewhere. Close up that lighting port. See what happens there. How about that? So, of course, there's something in the way. There's nozzles. Can't really see much from there. Not most of them blocked for the most part. Can't hardly see into them. You hear a little whistling going on there though. Can't see nothing coming out of that one there. Oh. You can pretty much see the angle of the nozzles, I think. From here you can get a sense of it, I think. And they fall out, well, they're more so than the hearth itself. That all seems to work pretty good. I'm going to fire it up and see if I can get some color to it. Usually this will be glowing orange when it's running.